قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله.
Latifa from the US.
My question is, if a person usually pray like night prayer or tahajjud, but that person oversleep, and I know he has to make it up after after Fajr, during Salatul Duha, but this person then oversleep again. So how should that person make it up?
Okay, I will answer inshallah. Latifa says, if a person oversleeps tahajjud, we know that he can make it up between sunrise and 10 minutes before dhuhr time. What happens if he oversleeps that time as well? The answer is there is no making up for that night prayer, because the time for making it up was over and Allah knows best.